Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the most exciting electric vehicles with in-depth reviews and real-world insights. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV, the compact B-segment electric SUV that brings Toyota's renowned reliability and everyday practicality to the growing world of affordable zero-emission crossovers. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV showcases a modern and purposeful design perfectly suited for urban environments. Measuring 168.7 inches long, 70.9 inches wide, and 64.4 inches tall on a spacious 106.3-inch wheelbase, it offers a raised ride height for better visibility and light off-road capability while remaining easy to maneuver in tight city streets. The front end features Toyota's bold hammerhead styling with slim LED headlights and a clean, aerodynamic fascia that minimizes drag. Sharp character lines run along the flanks, complemented by black plastic cladding and roof rails that emphasize its crossover character. It rides on stylish 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, and the rear displays distinctive taillights with a full-width light bar for a contemporary touch. Overall, the design is approachable and family-friendly without being flashy, making it an ideal daily driver that blends seamlessly into city traffic or weekend getaways. Stepping inside reveals a thoughtfully designed cabin that maximizes space and comfort in its compact footprint. The interior comfortably seats 5 passengers, with sliding and reclining rear seats that allow you to prioritize legroom or cargo flexibility in a 40/20/40 split configuration. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces create a premium feel for the segment, while excellent build quality reflects Toyota's attention to detail. The dashboard houses a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster for clear driver information and a 10.1-inch central touchscreen running the latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, intuitive menus, and over-the-air update support. A panoramic sunroof is available on higher trims to brighten the airy cabin, along with ambient lighting and supportive heated front seats. Rear passengers enjoy dedicated air vents and USB-C ports for convenience. Practicality is strong with around 310 liters of cargo space behind the rear seats when loaded to the tonneau cover, expanding to over 560 liters with seats folded. Advanced safety technologies, including Toyota Safety Sense with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane tracing assist, and a 360-degree camera system, come standard or as optional packages to enhance peace of mind on every journey. Performance in the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV is tuned for smooth, efficient daily driving with options to suit different needs. Entry-level front-wheel drive models pair a 49 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery with a motor producing 144 horsepower, delivering 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 9.6 seconds and a top speed of 93 miles per hour. For more capability, the 61 kWh battery version in front-wheel drive boosts output to 174 horsepower, achieving the sprint in 8.7 seconds while offering superior efficiency. The all-wheel drive variant uses the larger battery and dual motors for a combined 184 horsepower and stronger torque, sprinting from 0 to 62 in a brisk 7.4 seconds. Real-world WLTP range reaches up to 214 miles with the smaller battery and as much as 265 miles with the 61 kWh pack, though expect around 200 to 240 miles in mixed conditions. A standard heat pump helps maintain efficiency in colder weather, and DC fast charging supports up to 67 kilowatts, enabling a 10 to 80% charge in roughly 45 minutes. The responsive throttle, composed chassis, and strong regenerative braking make it engaging yet relaxing to drive, with minimal body roll for confident cornering. When it comes to prices, the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV delivers strong value as an accessible entry into electric SUVs. In key markets, base front-wheel drive models with the 49 kWh battery start around $30,000 equivalent, while well-equipped versions with the larger battery and more power range from $34,000 to $38,000 before incentives, taxes, and destination fees. These figures position it competitively against rivals, especially when factoring in low operating costs, Toyota's excellent reliability reputation, and generous battery warranties that often extend up to 10 years or significant mileage with minimal degradation. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV impresses as a practical, reliable compact electric SUV that excels in urban settings with its versatile interior, efficient performance, and approachable pricing. It is an excellent choice for first-time EV buyers or families seeking Toyota dependability and a zero-emission package. If you are looking for a no-nonsense electric crossover that prioritizes everyday usability, this one is worth a close look. What do you think about Toyota's latest EV effort? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe to EV Horizon for more detailed electric vehicle coverage. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next episode.